Good evening, everyone. Definitely chilly out the door right now. Definitely try not to go out the door if you need to. Just stay indoors with that feel-like temperature at 16 degrees with those southeast winds at 13 miles an hour. But the winds will be staying southerly as we head into the next couple hours. But even though southerly winds give us those warm conditions, people down more south of us, they're still into those chilly, frigid conditions, still giving us that wind chill effect with those gusts across the region today. 30 miles per hour and up across the board with 25 in Fort Stockton, just a little bit lower in Pecos as well at 25 miles per hour. So windier conditions are still persistent, not like what we had on Friday, but they are still going to be present, giving us that wind chill effect, which is why we have that extreme cold watch and cold weather advisory in effect with those winter storm warnings with the possibility of freezing rain and snow along the Texas coast and into those inland areas out near Houston. But closer for us though, we do have that now extreme cold watch in effect. That is more so for those dangerous wind chill conditions with that cold weather advisory. It's the same type of deal, but it is more so for those single digits into those teens, with the main concern is if you just make sure if you are going to be outdoors, just dressed comfortably, dressed in layers, and make sure you don't have any exposed skin, as you can be really more exposed to frostbite and hypothermia, and also protect those 4Ps. But with that extreme cold watch, we are expecting heading possibly into our Tuesday morning, a lot of us could be seeing those negative single-digit wind chill factors and into those low teens throughout much of the area below 15 degrees, with those long periods of below freezing conditions really starting even today and even heading in throughout possibly into Wednesday morning as well. So cold conditions are on the way. We're about to break this down. High pressure giving us those southerly winds. Feels like 16 right now in Midland, 21 in Ozona. That's what it feels like outside, with already 17 degrees what it feels like in Seminole. With tonight, we are only going to get colder. It's going to feel like the single digit of 4 degrees walking out the door in Midland, with 3 degrees in Odessa. In Pecos, you're going to be walking out feeling like you're 9 degrees. So definitely bundle up. Tonight, we will have a hard freeze, so make sure you do protect those pipes heading out into tonight. But cold conditions heading into tomorrow, a lot of us likely won't even possibly reach out of freezing. We are starting to trend colder, so I think mostly north of I-20 we may not even reach possibly out of freezing tomorrow. So that is something to keep in mind, especially with those north winds. They are going to be coming back as we head into our Monday. But the main things you need to know is we are into that weather impact alert for those dangerous single-digit wind chill factors, as well those low temperatures into the teens and 20s throughout much of the area. And the best thing you can do is just to keep up with the latest forecast as we head in throughout much of the region. But we are keeping an eye on this coastal low, given much of that freezing rain and snow into the area. It might try to produce a little bit of flurries for our southern portions, but that is going to be highly unlikely. And the main concern we are looking at is for those frigid cold temperatures as we head and throughout the next couple days. Monday, Tuesday, bundle up nicely. But for Wednesday, that 53 is starting to look real nice, Corey.
Yes, it will. And I'm kind of upset